we'll guide you through how to make a shine glow effect in Picsart. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, it's recommended to use on desktop version for easier editing process. Open your browser and let it load fully so everything runs smooth. After it loads completely, go to the search bar in the middle of your screen, left-click the search bar, then type Picsart inside the search bar. After that, press Enter to search and wait for the results to show. Then select the first web that appears so you can open Picsart. Inside the Picsart page, log in or sign in so you can start editing. After you log in, press Start New Design to start a new project. Next, select Upload from your device to create a canvas with your image inside. Find the image you want to use from your device and pick it. Then let the canvas load until the image shows on the screen. After it loads completely, go to Effects on top, then select Light Filters to open the filter options. Pick one option that you like to set the base of the shine glow look. For example, you can choose Light Filter 19 if you want a soft glowing tone. Next, go to Stickers on the left bar to add extra shine details. Then go to the search bar inside Stickers and search for Spotlight Effect. Find one sticker that you like and select it to add it into your canvas. After you select the spotlight, adjust the size and the position so it fits your image the way you want. Now go to the Edit section on top and go to Blend Modes. Choose Soft Light to blend the spotlight with the image and make it look more natural. After that, go back to Stickers again and search for Lens Flare White to add more glow. After you find it, import it into your canvas and place it where it matches the spotlight. Adjust the size and the position so both elements line up. Then set the blend mode of the lens flare to screen so it becomes bright and adds a shiny glow effect on top of your image.